March?
Yeah, I'll be there real soon.
How do y'all feel about Triple G and Canelo fighting
We
again?
want them. We just gotta, you know, like they said, we gotta. I want Canelo to go back down, straight up, and I want Golden Boy to pull out the checkbook. I'm gonna let my brother do the talk.
So if you had an opportunity to fight either one of them, which one do you want?
It don't matter. I want the whoever gonna pay me, and I'm gonna beat them. And I'm not here for no check. We good. We want to beat all of the 154 pounders that they think that's better than the Charlos. They talk that trash. You know, we out, man. We got too much to take. But the DNG, we on their ass. And it's my brother. He going in March, and expect a knockout from him.
Who was the match?
Hey, all I'm gonna say for this camp, this is the strongest I've ever been in my life. That's all I'm gonna say. The strongest
Last question.
I've ever been in my entire life.
Last question.
Is this the new future of boxing here, can we say?
The Charlo twins?
Yes, sir.
We forced to be reckoned, and we forced to be respected. So it's all up to you.
A new aura?
Huh?
A new aura of boxing?
Hey, I want the money and not the honey.
That's it, y'all.